Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow seekers of wisdom, today we gather to explore the profound teachings of one of history's most revered philosophers, Confucius. A name synonymous with ethics, morality, and human compassion, Confucius left behind a rich legacy of quotes and sayings designed not merely to provoke thought, but to inspire action. For those of us in our middle and later years, the reflections born from his teachings serve as vital signposts on the journey of life, providing deep insights that encourage us to reevaluate our paths, reshape our interactions, and celebrate the potential within us all. Let us begin with a fundamental tenet of Confucian philosophy: the importance of self-cultivation and personal responsibility. Confucius once said, "It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop." In this simple yet powerful statement, he directs our attention to the process of growth, emphasizing that every step, no matter how small, contributes to our development. For many of us, it can be easy to feel immobilized by the complexities of life or overwhelmed by the rapid changes we face in today's world. Confucius reminds us that perseverance, rather than perfection, is the true measure of success. Embrace your journey, no matter the pace, and be inspired to keep moving forward, continuously honing your character and broadening your understanding of the world. Another quote that resonates deeply with the realities we encounter is, "Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance." At first glance, this may seem a contradiction. However, in acknowledging what we do not know, we open ourselves to learning and growth. This realization can be profoundly liberating. It invites us to adopt an attitude of humility, recognizing that life is a continuous learning process, and no matter our age or experience, there is always more to uncover. This mindset not only enriches our lives, but also enhances our interactions with others, allowing us to foster deeper, more meaningful relationships as we collectively navigate the uncertainties that life presents. Moreover, Confucius speaks directly to the essence of interpersonal relationships with the quote, "What you do not wish for yourself, do not do to others." Here we find a fundamental principle of empathy and mutual respect. In our middle age and beyond, we have witnessed the complexities of human interaction, both the beauty of connection and the pain of conflict. This call to treat others with kindness and consideration is crucial, reminding us that our actions ripple outwards, influencing not just our immediate surroundings, but also the broader community. As we engage with family, friends, or even strangers, let us strive to embody this principle, for it is within the realm of these everyday interactions that we can cultivate a more harmonious existence. Let us dwell upon the quality of righteousness, an essential pillar in Confucian thought. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. This statement encapsulates the power of perseverance, and moral integrity. As we pursue our personal goals, whether they be ambitions, passions, or service to others, let us remember that significant change often begins with small, righteous actions. By aligning our choices with our values, we not only evolve individually, but also contribute to the betterment of society. Each step we take towards living justly, even in the minutiae of our daily lives, has the potential to create waves of positive impact. As we navigate our conversational landscapes, let's heed the wisdom that education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, hope breeds peace. These profound layers of thought guide us towards the realization that education, not merely in formal settings but through experience, relationships, and self-reflection, builds the cornerstone for every future endeavor. For those of us who may feel a sense of stagnation or uncertainty, let this be a call to action to engage in continuous learning and open ourselves to new ideas, perspectives, and possibilities. Through education, we reclaim our confidence, deepen our hope, and ultimately cultivate a life imbued with peace. Ultimately, as we reflect on life's journey marked by changes, challenges, and blessings, let us consider Confucius' reminder: to see what is right and not do it is the want of courage. In acknowledging our responsibility to act, we assert our autonomy, empowering ourselves to effect change. This courage enables us to not only confront our fears, but also to dismantle any barriers that stand in the way of our authentic selves. Let us possess the courage to embrace our truths and pursue the lives we genuinely desire, lives rich with purpose, connection, and love. In closing, dear audience, I hope the wisdom of Confucius resonates within you, igniting a spark for transformation. The philosophical quotes we explored today are not mere words. They are calls to action, reminders of our potential for greatness, and invitations to lead lives characterized by kindness and introspection. As we navigate the next chapter of our lives, let us carry these teachings in our hearts, using them as a compass to guide us toward the fulfillment that lies within our reach. Furthermore, as we reflect on these transformative insights, we are also reminded of the importance of community in shaping our lived experiences. Confucius asserted that it is better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. This statement emphasizes the power of proactive engagement over passive complaint. As individuals, we often find ourselves facing collective challenges, and it is within communal efforts that our shared wisdom multiplies. When we choose to contribute in small ways towards something greater than ourselves, we illuminate the pathways not only for our own growth, but also for those around us. Each act of kindness and generosity creates a network of support that can uplift entire communities, fostering resilience and mutual understanding. Additionally, let us reflect on the significance that Confucius placed on the pursuit of a just society. His vision extended beyond personal morality to encompass the broader social fabric that connects us all. As he said, the demands of justice are worth pursuing even at the cost of your life. This profound statement calls upon us to uphold ethical standards, advocating for what is right, especially when faced with adversity. As we engage with societal challenges -b.it inequality, injustice, or environmental degradation, we must embody courage and tenacity, recognizing that in pursuing justice, we not only honor our values but also inspire others to do the same. In our ever-diversifying world, Confucius's call for understanding and respect remains relevant. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute. The man who never asks is a fool for life highlights the importance of inquiry in fostering dialogue across cultural divides. As we engage in conversations filled with differing viewpoints, let us remember that openness to learning from others enriches our experience and contributes to a more cooperative and understanding society. Let us carry these teachings with us, firmly rooted in the belief that the wisdom of Confucius can serve as a guiding principle for generations to come. By embodying his beliefs and practices, we take significant steps toward fostering a society where compassion, knowledge, and ethical behavior not only prevail but thrive. Together, as we embrace these transformative insights, may we continually strive to forge connections that transcend boundaries, nurturing a world imbued with harmony, respect, and enduring meaning. Thank you once again for joining me today in this exploration of transformative wisdom. Let us depart with confidence and resolve to apply the teachings of Confucius. Our shared journey towards a meaningful existence has only just begun.